Hello, I look disgusting, but today me and my grandfather actually went to the Aspen polo race. That was so cool. It's like the snow polo race that Aspen does, and it was incredible. I have some footage. I'll insert it, but I didn't film everything when we got there. I just kind of filmed some stuff, but we were actually VIP, and there was this stage thing. I think I have some of it filmed actually. It was this stage, and only the VIP people who had these badges were able to go on, and I thought that was so cool. They had a bunch of freebies and stuff, and I got this cup. It says Snow Polo 2021. I lost a nail, but I thought that was really cool. And then they had a bunch of free hats, these winter hats, and they were super, super cute. And so I got a couple for Christmas presents, which I thought was a really good idea. And I got my mom, my dad, me, and my sister one. So I think she will enjoy that. I don't think she really wears winter hats, but they were take them. They were trying to get rid of them. These cups were also free, and they are the nicest looking cups ever. This is not the most flattering angle, but it is a insulated cup. As you can see, it's insulated. The lid is also insulated, and I am a skier. I ski, so this is going to be super, super helpful when skiing because it's compact, perfect for hot chocolate or coffee or whatever. So this is going to be really, really nice to use skiing because we have a big thermos. It goes up to here, but it's so hard to take with us skiing. But this will easily fit in a pocket. I do have snow pants on, but it's super great. And then the hat I got is super duper cute. It's just I'll let my mom pick whatever one she wants. I got a pom-pom one, and I got 3 pom-pom ones, I think, and I'm obsessed with them. And then I got my dad one. It's I was here, let me get one for my dad. And here it's he's the guy, he's all here, this is the ones for the guys. And I was okay. And you didn't have to pay for it at all. It was so nice. It was a fundraiser they did, and that was really cool. Also, all of the food was free. The food was so delicious. I cannot stand it. It was so good. Everybody was the sweetest there. It was crazy. I don't even know how to describe it, but seriously, everybody was the sweetest. We met my grandfather actually knew a lot of people there, and so he was talking to them, and everybody was so sweet to me. But genuinely, everybody was so sweet, and we're in a beautiful town. We're in Aspen. It's such a beautiful little town, and I live about an hour, 2 hours away from Aspen, so it was a beautiful drive up here, especially because of the snow and everything. But it was so nice. The riders, these were the sweetest. They ran around the arena and gave everybody high fives. They let us go see the horses. It was beautiful. It was amazing. The horses were so beautiful, and it was such a fun time. There was another game, but like I said last night, I had some stuff to get done. My grandfather, I call him granddad, had some stuff to get done too. So, and we were just kind of ready to go. It's kind of all the same thing again, but it was super fun, and I'm very glad I went. We had a little catastrophe. My snow pants didn't fit, so I'm in my mom's right now, but it was crazy. A crazy fun time. I also lost my nail. I have the nail. I just don't have anything to glue it on with. My grandfather went and said hi to a friend, which is completely fine. I don't know where he is, but yeah. But it was such a fun time, and we get to keep the badges, which I think is cool. My first ever snow polo, I get to keep the VIP badge. But yeah, so I definitely want to come again next year, and hope that, like, my mom and my dad can come. I think my niece would freaking love it because it has horses, and that girl is obsessed with anything horses, and she loves food. So, and you can get as many servings as you want. The hot chocolate there is delicious. I had like 2 cups of hot chocolate, and it was so good. And they had like these little waiters, and they'd come around, and they were like, "Oh, hello, you know, how are you? Do you need anything? Do you want me to take anything? Do you want me to get you a drink? Do you want some food?" Like, they were genuinely the sweetest. And I just finished my hot chocolate, so she took my cup, and she's like, "Would you like another one?" And I was like, "Please." And they were just all around, like, everybody was like, "How is it? Do you enjoy it?" So if you are around Aspen around this time of year, you definitely should go. I think you only have to pay for the VIP part. That's where you get the free food, the free, like, cups, hats, whatever. That's where you get all that free stuff, is the VIPs part of it. But not even being in the VIP, I would imagine it would be so much fun. It attracted a lot of people, but like I said, it was so great. So if you're definitely in this area around this time, this was like the finale. Definitely check it out. I will post, if I remember, I will post on Instagram like the time, and yeah, I think it would be so much fun. I definitely want to go again. But like I said, I loved it. I don't have any complaints. It was a little cold, but we are in Aspen and it is cold. But I will talk to you guys later when I get home, and I'm gonna wrap some presents, and I will see you guys later. Good night. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I will talk to you a little bit more later. Goodbye. Hi. So, I'm ending this vlog here.